How to check in Air Canada app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to check in for an Air Canada flight using the Air Canada app. So for that case, what you can do is you could either use an application or a web browser. Now in my case, I'm using a browser, so I'm going to type in aircanada.com. When you type in that, you could go ahead and press the first link that appears, and this is how it's going to look like. So here, if you want to check in, you could just go ahead and scroll down a bit and you could find the option to check in. So while you're logged into, when you're taken to the home page, here you could go ahead and click on the check-in option. Once you do that, now you want to go ahead and type in the airplane number or the booking reference and the last name that you've mentioned during the booking. Now click the check-in button and you should be able to find your information. And you could also go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to select your seat, either the number of your checked bags and complete check-in. So this way you'll be able to check in Air Canada app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.